Hi, lovely people. How are you? Well, it's hot as hell in New Jersey. Let me know down in the comments below, how hot is it where you're at? I'm just very nosy. Well, like my grandmother would say, you're not nosy, you're just curious. Let me know what the weather is like. I know for me it is hot, so I don't have too much makeup on today because I would just sweat it off. Anywho, if you read from my description, I'm going to be unboxing a new subscription called the Merry Air box. And this is more of a lifestyle box. This is a $29 a month subscription. And I do have a discount code. I was trying to remember what it was. It is Ann20. So all in caps, I will leave it down below. If you use my code, I don't get anything about it. I don't get anything out of it. It is not an affiliate link for me or anything like that. It is just for you guys. So I calculated it, and if you use the code AN20, it will be $23.20 for your first box. And then if you get it for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, it is cheaper, you know, that you can get it a month. But anywho, let me show you what this box looks like. This is a new company. I tried to look it up online, and the earliest I seen somebody unbox this was May of this year. So it's really brand new. I don't know what anything is in here. I did get a little card from the owner, which was really, really nice. So one thing I do know what is in here, and it's customized, and I'll tell you about that a little bit more. So let's see. All I did was cut it because this is all like a sticker here, and you know. And then you go like this. That is really, really pretty. And so this is July's theme. Oh, okay, so I see what she did. She taped it up there. So it is fresh and fruity, the theme for this month. So let's just open her up. That's pretty. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. So let's move some of these scrunchies. Oh, okay. So far, that is what I see. All right. So this here, I did know what we were getting because in the letter, it did say what it was, and it has this here. And, oh, this is a water bottle, or you can put anything you want in it, and it has my name, Ann. And then over here says Merry Air, and anybody who gets this box, it will be customized with everybody's name in it. So that's really nice. That is really, really cool. And like it is glass. That is so nice. And I love that they customize it. And then you get that little thingy here. All right, let me move that over there so I don't drop it. All right, let me see if I can take this card off of the box and read it exactly. So this is a glass fruit infuser bottle. It just says keep hydrated by flavoring your water with a simple solution. So that's good. You put some fruit in it, you can put some water in it, however you want it. Okay, now I'm just gonna pull out the first thing I see. The next thing is these Yum Earth gummy worms. Oh, and it does have prices on there. So the bottle would have been $12. Okay, so the gummy, so I guess this is the fruity part. What is the gummy worms? Okay, $3, sorry. So that's pretty cool. The next thing we got is it's Let's Glow face mask. Okay, great. I love me some face masks. So that's what that looks like. And this would be $5. So then we have some St. Ives Radiant Skin. This is pink, lemon, and mandarin orange scrub. So I like how it's themed, and this would be $4.59. Okay. Then we got, oh, this is from Bath & Body Works. This is Watermelon Lemonade. I actually have this one, and I really like the smell. And this is $13. Let's see. God, it smells so good. I'm going to put this in a giveaway because I already have one of these, and this smells so amazing. And last but not least, we have this little clutch here that says, I need mascara. That is so cool. And this would be $10. So that's pretty good. So for $29, I didn't add everything up. So this is $13. And then we have the gummy worms, which is $3. And then we have the St. Ives, which is $4.59. We have the face mask, and this was $5. We have the watermelon lemonade cream, and this is $13. And then we have the glass bottle, which is my favorite, and this would be $12. And like I said, they do customize your name if you get the box this month. So this is $29, and if you use my code ANN20, like I said, I'll leave everything down below. You can get it for, what did I say? 20% off, which would bring it to $23.20. So let me know what you think with the comments below. Is this something that you would get? Do you think it's worth $29? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know, what do you think about this? Do you like this? Would you get the box just for this? I don't know. Make sure I don't break it. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you make it out with this heat. What are you guys doing? And don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. I do have a 5K giveaway going on. We will have 3 winners. I will leave that in the cards above and also down below. And I will also have some videos right here and right up here. You just click on that and it will take you right to my 5K giveaway. All right, guys, until my next video. Bye.